Hello sellers, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll guide you through what purchase suggestion is, how you can use this feature on BigSeller, and some common questions regarding this feature.
First, what is purchase suggestion on BigSeller? The purchase suggestion is the function on BigSeller to suggest the purchase quantity. It is based on various data such as sales volume, stock, and out-of-stock quantity, and this is for sellers to purchase the related products in advance. Secondly, how to use purchase suggestion. There are 3 steps. Step 1. Go to Purchase and Purchase Suggestion. And to set purchase and safety days, choose the SKUs you'd like to set the purchase day and safety day, and then move the mouse to Purchase Day setting and choose Set for selected SKUs. And after setting, click Confirm. And this information will be saved. And you can also set the purchase and safety days of single SKU by clicking the related Edit button here. And kindly note, if there are no purchase day and safety day for the merchant SKU, the purchase suggestion will not be generated. So make sure you have set the purchase days and safety dates. And step 2 is to set restock strategy. Move the mouse to Set Restock Strategy and click this button. Then you will be redirected to this page. Here set the purchase frequency. It is how often you purchase. You can set 10 days, and the default purchase days, the estimated days from placing purchase orders to product receiving day by the warehouse. You can set 5 days here, according to your requirements. And then it's the default safety days. It means the buffer days set in order to avoid the late arrival of products that may due to uncontrollable circumstances. Here we leave the 2 days untouched. Then comes the forecasted daily sales. It is based on daily sales in the past period of time to forecast the future sales situation and also calculate the purchase suggestion. You can choose average daily sales for the last 3 days, 7 days, 15 days, or 30 days. And also, you can select weighted average daily sales. Here we choose 7 days. And next is the sales coefficient. It's for making the average sales more reasonable. For example, when the sales on a promotion day is about twice than usual, you can set the sales coefficient on this day to 0.5. For example, if there is a promotion on July 27th, then you can set the sales coefficient to 0.5. And after setting, click Confirm to save the information. Step 3 is to generate purchase order. First go to Purchase Suggestion. Then you can click Calculate. The purchase quantity will be auto-calculated once every day. And if you need real-time calculation, you can manually click on Calculate on the Purchase Suggestion page. After this, click the SKU you'd like to generate purchase order. Then click Generate Purchase Order. On this page, you can check and edit the information to make sure they're correct. When completed, click Save to finish and create the purchase order. After created, it will go into the draft box. And then you will need to select it and submit it. Then it will go into On the Way part. After receiving, the purchase order will be finished. Thirdly, there are some common questions related to this feature. The first one is that you can avoid the purchase order if you do not purchase now. Here you can select the merchant SKU and click Not Purchase Now. And then it will go to Not Purchase Now column. You can also revert the voided purchase orders. And second If the sales status is stop selling, then no purchase suggestion will be generated. You can find it under Inventory Merchant SKU. And then here, stop selling. The purchase suggestion for this SKU would not be generated. If you would like to change the status of this SKU, you can select this one, move the mouse to bulk actions, and set sales status. And change the status to active. And click the save button. And the status would be changed to active. And third, there are two types of purchase suggestions, in stock and non-stock. The suggestion for in-stock can auto-generate the purchase stock quantity based on sales volume, inventory, and so on in order to stock up in advance. And no-stock is for mapped orders with insufficient stock, meaning the on-hand stock plus in-transit stock is less than stock required for orders to be processed. Under these circumstances, the system will auto-generate suggestions for creating a purchase order. Fourth, it's about the status of the purchase suggestion. If a purchase order has been generated for an SKU, if the purchase order is in draft list, then the purchase suggestion of this merchant SKU will still exist. However, if the purchase order has been moved to on the wait list with sufficient purchase quantity, then relevant purchase suggestions will be auto-deleted.
Now you must be familiar with the purchase suggestion feature on BigSeller. Now get it into use to generate purchase orders. If you find this video helpful, like this video and see more practical videos coming. If you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you soon in our next video.